Hey, this is Tufail Afzal from TA Tech.
In today's video, we are going to unbox Samsung A22 5G phone. Quick guide, a brand new Samsung A22 5G phone, a data cable C-type support. This is the charges adapter. This is a pin, ejection pin. See the look of Samsung A20. Here we memory card tray. The camera 8 megapixel selfie camera. Triple camera setup, 5 ultra 48 main and 2 megapixel depth. 5G supported. This is color variant, 4 color variants. A huge 5000 mAh battery you can see in this phone. 0.6-inch FHD display. You can see 5G network. Phone comes in two variants, 6GB and 8GB. Hope you guys like the video. Do share, like and subscribe the channel.